Hi, I'm Stevi Lowmass and I'm the founder of the Camel Soap Factory. We make soaps with camel milk, really beautifully packaged, handcrafted and milled soaps. People often ask me why we started the factory. The simple truth is that we absolutely love the UAE and we want people who visit here or live here to be able to take away something of the UAE with them, which is why we use as much local ingredient as we possibly can, things like frankincense from Oman and most importantly camel milk from the UAE. We have a range of exquisite handcrafted soaps that are available across the region in places like Carrefour, Al Jaba Gallery, Spinneys and Waitrose, and we're very excited to be launching a new range of milled soaps. This is our Sadu product, which will be available from mid-December in Carrefour.